Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 16 update on your iPhone and iPad. So go to home screen on your iPhone, tap on settings, now scroll, then tap on general. Over here you will see software update option, tap on software update. It will check for update, and over here you can see upgrade to iOS 16. Tap on it. Now you will see the option which says download and install. Tap on it. Enter your pin over here, pin or passcode. Now tap on agree. Agree once again. Continue. Now over here you can see the status is update requested. Now over here you can see it's downloading right now. So let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you will see the option to install now. So tap on install now, and it will verify the update. Let the verification complete. Now once done, your phone will restart. So over here you can see it's installing the update. Now once this process is complete, your update should be installed. So this is how you can download and install iOS 16 on your iPhone or iPad. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.